So we just finished eating dinner at Rocello's here and in Nordstrom, and so we are about to go and walk around the mall. Kim wanted to go to Dillard's, and we want to go downstairs and check out a couple of things too here while we're here at Nordstrom, and then we're gonna head out, probably go home. Yeah, probably go home. And yeah, this is my look of the day. I have on, okay, my sweatshirt from Zara. It says Tribeca Midtown, I think it says that. Can't read it right here, but I believe it does say that. Then I have on my shorts from Abercrombie, and I like it. Super cute, comfortable, and good for me for the spring because, yeah, I like being covered somewhere around somewhere. Top covered, got my shorts on. Yeah, good.
I have on these shorts from Universal Standard. These are the ones that were in the workwear video. And this top that I have on is very old. And my sandals I got on sale at Dillard's last year.
Oh, let's look at the sandals.
Yes.
Cute.
I love these sandals. And then we have on the same bag. So I have my phone in my hand.
Okay. And we just came from the L'Occitane area in Nordstrom, and we're about to head over, where we going? Dillard's.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Kim wanted to look at some sandals, and yeah, I'm kind of excited to look at them too. So yeah, let's go upstairs. Got to get our package. I think we have some L'Occitane that came, so we're gonna go and get that. And we had it sent to FedEx because we did not want it to be stolen. So yeah, we're not sure if the FedEx driver is in cahoots with the thief, so we just kind of wanted to make sure. But we've not had any more thefts either, so we're good. But yeah, so we're about to head over there.
Okay guys, so we are on our way to Starbucks before we go to FedEx. because we wanted to try. Juanita, one of our subscribers, she wrote a comment on our last video saying that she loves the shaken oat milk latte, or espresso rather, and she loves it though with caramel. And I was like, both of us were like, oh, that sounds really good, so we're gonna try it. So we're here at Starbucks, we're rolling up now, and we're gonna order that. Now, I did see in the app where they might have the summer berry refresher. I might get that one. I don't know. But if they have that, oh yes it is. It's here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have that one first to open up the summer, and then we'll have the espresso later. Okay, so we just made the order. They have the picture and everything of the summer berry refresher out, but unfortunately it comes out tomorrow. I'm like, my goodness, can't you just crack open the stuff? You know you have it. But anyway, so we did.
Open it for us.
I know, like, do it for little Saint. But no, so we did get the oat milk espresso, the shaken espresso with the caramel. So we'll let you guys know what we think about it. That's good. I like that. Caramel makes everything better. This is so good. I love all the ways that you can make this like your own, but this is really good.
Oh, that's good. That's the one. And that caramel really helps it. Like it doesn't necessarily need help, but it's good. Thank you, Juanita. That is so good. I am doing my TEMU content and the sun is just going in and out. So I started like at about 2 something doing my makeup and my hair, and then I started with the content, like filming it at about probably 3 something. So it is 4 something now, close to 5, and the sun is like doing its thing with the clouds. So it's time for me to stop so that I can go and get me some food, and then I'm gonna have to pick back up tomorrow with my last 2 looks. And so I'll probably have to get up a little bit earlier, and I was kind of doing some other things too in between, so just that kind of got in the way as well. But yeah, so I probably will get up and start a little bit earlier and then like move, you know, based off of that. But I love this dress. It's super cute. Got it from TEMU, of course. And what I am doing is showing how to style this dress, how to style this dress 3 different ways. So I did a look with sneakers, I did a look with heels, which I have those on now, and then I did a look with sandals. So I think that all 3 looks are really cute. You know, it's just about doing looks your own kind of way, and it's a summer dress, so it's very pretty, very like flowy. Yeah, it's just really about making a look your own. And for me, this dress, it's so flowy and pretty, and like you can do a couple of things like juxtaposition with it. The sneakers and the dress, like they don't go together, that's juxtaposition. So I thought, oh, that would be really cute. And I did my dad cap, the New York Yankees cap with the sneaker look as well, and some sunglasses. And then I mean, just it just really takes the look to a different level, rather than just wearing flats in a dress or heels in a dress. Like, make a look your own, no matter if people disagree with the pieces that you add to that look or not. Like, it's your style, it's your flow, it's your look. Like, make it your own, and you know, like, make it count where it really counts, you know, making it different, standing apart from what somebody else would do with it. And so that's what I did with this dress. So hopefully you guys like it. If you don't, I feel like you'll probably gain some type of inspiration from one of the looks, you know, to be able to, you know, do it yourselves the way that you would want to do it. So yeah, I love the dress, and yeah, let me go get out of these heels and give me some food because I'm hungry. And we will probably pick you guys up on the way to get food, or on the way to FedEx. We were not able to go to FedEx because they were closed. As soon as we got there, they shut the lights off and they locked the doors. So yeah, we're going to FedEx.
Keyondra and I are on our way to FedEx. We went there yesterday, but we didn't realize that they closed at 8. I thought they still closed at 10. I didn't realize they had new hours. So we got there right at, like, I think 8 o'clock. The lights were turning off. I think Keyondra says she saw the lights turn off. So we are going today, and I'll get my package from L'Occitane, and I will show you guys what I got. So what I got is the shimmer body oil. I actually first heard about this when I went into the L'Occitane store about maybe a month or a month and a half ago, and the lady let me try it and everything, and I wasn't sure if we were gonna get this or not, but it's a body shimmer. It says it's sun-kissed and luminous, so like you have like a little nice little glow. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, and then I've already swatched it, but I'm gonna let you guys see. So it's very runny. It's oil, and so
That smells really, really good.
it smells so good, y'all. This oil smells so good. This is a great base layer for like all of your fragrances. Like if you're looking for something that's warm, this is a good warm fragrance. Like it's an almond kind of fragrance, and I think almond is like one of the like notes that's in right now, and so this is good to mix with lotions and all of that to just make your fragrances last. So if you're looking for a nice summer glow this summer, this is one that is definitely to look at because it's brown girl friendly and it's gonna have a nice little sheen to it. Okay, so Keyondra and I are on our way to an event. Keyondra got invited to this New Mexican restaurant to do some content for them. I think they have a location in Atlantic Station. And so Keyondra said they do, but they're opening up one in Alpharetta. So we're on our way there to get some nice bites, and so that she can get some content for them. But so that means that we're gonna have to do the comment feature of the day in the car today as we're rolling. So guys, bear with the little bouncing around and stuff, because you know, and also the instructions or the directions on how to get there. Today's comment feature of the day is from Tracy Jones 4147. She said, I love the vlog, thank you so much. I'm interested in your thoughts on Target and shopping there in this climate. And the reason why we chose this one,
in the left lane.
Okay. The reason why we chose that comment to feature today is because we have gotten questions as we've posted things about Target. Some not so nice, but then some that were exactly like Tracy. Very gracious, very just having a genuine question and wanting to know our thoughts and, you know, how we're navigating this as well. And so we really appreciate that. We appreciate that you guys, all of you don't agree or don't shop at Target. We've heard some of you say that you've boycotted yourselves, and but you guys still show up and you guys allow us to be us and, you know, live our lives how we live them, as far as like anything shopping, because we don't really have a moral code. We don't shop by a moral code really, unless it's for the Lord. We definitely support all of you guys who are, you know, in the boycott. We understand, we hear it, we even feel it, but we've just decided to not stop shopping at anywhere. So we thank you guys for understanding and for rocking with us always, and stay tuned for the footage from tonight's event.
So guys, we are headed home, and the little event was not an event actually, because they had cold food on the table, so we just decided not to attend the event but to eat dinner there. I'd have to say
10 out of 10, don't recommend.
Yeah, I was gonna say my takeaway is
Glad we didn't eat there last year.
yeah, don't go. Love you guys, thank you so much for the invite, but don't go. I'm gonna let Kim end this one.
So guys, that's all we have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. Don't forget to download the playlist either on YouTube or on Spotify. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone that you love. Bye guys.